Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I would like to unbox a ball watch which is Ball Engineer Master 2 Aviator Oversize with the model number NM2050C-P1A-BK limited edition. Okay, before we start the unbox session, if you're still new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to show some support. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. Okay, open the cover first. Then take it out. At the bottom we have the warranty card. Okay. Now the latest version did not come with the CD already, and we need to scan the barcode here to show the instruction book. Inside got two cards. This is the limited edition, which is limited to 1217 pieces worldwide. So we have this card. Okay, this is the model number NM2050C-P1A-BK. This is the internal national warranty card, right? Let's put it all aside. Okay, it's the inner box. Here you go. This is the rubber strap version. Aviator Oversize comes with total 3 models. The first one is the full stainless steel, including the bracelets. Okay. Then this is the second one, the stainless steel case with the rubber strap. And the third one is the stainless steel with TIC coating, which is in black color plus rubber strap. Okay, let me tell you what I like about this watch. The first one, biggest and brightest tube, is the gas tube among the ball models. Later I will show you some comparison with other gas tube watches, such like the Zobero T2 and the Ball Hydrocarbon GMT. Okay, and the second one, I like the big numbering here, which is 3, 6, 9 and 12, because it's easy to spot and identify this model, and it's rare too. Okay, the third one is the good smelling from the rubber strap and smell like perfume for me. Okay, you need to try in boutique to experience yourself. Okay, next, let's take the measurement of the watch. The case is 47.6. Official is writing 48 mm. Okay. Lug width 22. The thickness from top to bottom is 13 mm, and lug to lug is about 55. Yeah, this is quite big watch. Okay, this is a side profile with the RR logo on the crown, which means railroad. The second hand is in yellow color. It's quite nice and matching the black rubber strap and back dowels here. Okay, and these watches loaded with automatic caliber ball, RR1102 movement, and it comes with day and date at the 3 o'clock. Big crown here, you need to unscrew. Okay, screw clockwise to power up. One step to adjust the day, clockwise to adjust the date. Okay, one step again to adjust the time. It has the hacking function. As you can see, the second is stopped when I adjusting the time. Right. Then you need to screw back, winding to prevent the water going. Okay. Can you guess how many gas tips here? The answer is 31 micro gas tips on the hour, minute, second, and the dials here, the numbering, the big tubes here. Okay, total has 31. As you can see, 12 itself already got 6 tubes here. Okay, this is the side profile, quite simple. And nice. Okay, the back case here. This watch has the anti-magnetic up to 4800 AM and 5000 GS of shock resistance. Okay, this is the limited number here, over the 1217 pieces. Serial number for watch. The history here with products 1903, first flight. Okay, Swiss. Of course, this Swiss made. And the watch is 100 meter water resistant. Swiss made here, printing here. And the glass comes with anti-reflective corners, sapphire crystal. Alright, it's a rubber strap with a ball, laser engraving here. Another ball logo. Back side, the genie ball logo. Okay. Okay. Let me put on the wrist. Okay. My wrist size is 6.5 inch. This is how it look like on the wrist. The 3D here, 3D of the gas tube is quite impressive and amazing, right? The size looks fine on wrist, although it's 48 mm. Alright, next, let's compare the Lume and put some room show. Okay, let's see the ball hydrocarbon here. There you can see the gas tube compared to the Aviator Oversize. Okay, this hydrocarbon mixed with the Lume Nova coating on the numbering here inside the dial. Okay, right, as you can see, the Aviator Oversize is the brightest here. Okay, it's without the light. The gas tube no need to charge, as they can self power up to 25 years. This is Zobero T2. Inside the dial also got gas tube, which is in green and +1 yellow on 12 o'clock. Okay, and the last one is the Aviator Oversize. See, it's quite bright compared to others, even without the UV light. But you have to make sure the room is totally in dark. Only you can see the light source here, like this one. Okay, let me put some UV light. Wow, how you think? Let me put the 3 watches side by side. Okay, and clearly you can see the winner here is the ball Aviator Oversize. All gas tube here is T25, and there's another types in T100, but not available for balls. Okay, right, and put one more time on UV light. Okay, alright, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Hope everyone is staying healthy, and see you in next video. Okay, bye.